Today we're going to do a first impression unboxing of the new MacBook Air M3. I got my hands on it before the launch and I really wanted to give like my first impression of it before it launches out on Friday. I know it's only my name and it may look like something small, but it's such a big moment for me to be invited to the launching of Apple's new MacBook Air. So thank you so much, Apple, for letting me get to try out the new MacBook Air before it launches. And here's my first impressions. I got the beautiful midnight finish, which is this sleek black finish, and it has the anodization seal that can reduce fingerprints. And on first thought, I was so surprised how light it is, and I would say it's equivalent to maybe a 2-subject notebook. And this is so important to me because I'm not the strongest girly, and so I really like to pack as light as possible so that I can easily take this everywhere I go, running around the city, traveling, and just be on the go. This new MacBook Air is equipped with the M3 chip, so it's actually a dream laptop for those who are constantly out and about, and it's incredible with the combination of their performance, portability, and of course that 18-hour long battery life. I do want to say that I wish Apple could add the SD card holder. As someone who edits a lot of videos and photos, this Mac is less than 1 centimeter thin. That's crazy. First things first, the fun part, which is setting up the laptop. It's almost spring now, so I'm going to go with a pink theme because it's going to be cherry blossom season and strawberry season soon. So of course, a cute Miffy background with strawberries.
I can touch it through the phone, or touch it through the universe.
While setting up Spotify, that's when I noticed that there is no sound bars on the side of the computer next to the keyboard like the MacBook Pro, which is a little sad because the sound quality isn't the best. The sound bar is located like inside the computer, so if you're someone who enjoys listening to music without earphones, this might be a deal breaker, but if you have AirPods or headphones, then this shouldn't be a problem. And voila, just finished setting up the new Chrome theme. Isn't she so cute? It gives that slice of life aesthetic, and in that beautiful crisp liquid retina display, cannot be complaining. Overall, my first impressions on the MacBook Air M3 is going to be a giant upgrade from my MacBook Pro because of how portable it is, and bye-bye to no more back pain. You can now get it at the Apple Store or online, and there's also educational pricing, so if you're a student, then that's going to be a major discount.